Hello. I got back from Toiletries and backpacking literally maybe 30 minutes ago. There's actually no one else at my house right now. I'm just gonna unpack these right now. In case you don't know, my name is Sarah. I have been on the spring 2023 voyage of semester at sea, and then I went backpacking in Europe for about a month. I had these 2 backpacks plus 2 suitcases on semester at sea, and then I just brought these 2 backpacks with me for backpacking. So I'm gonna go through, unpack if it was necessary, if I used it, what I brought with, what I recommend bringing or not bringing, etc. This is everything I brought with me for backpacking for a month in Europe. First off is literally the clothes I'm wearing. These necklaces I got, this one in Venice and this one in Croatia. Rings that I've had forever. This sweatshirt that I brought with that I was wearing on the airplane. These boots that I actually bought in Iceland that I ended up having to wear home because I couldn't fit them in my backpacks anywhere. This is my Osprey 40-liter backpack. I'm gonna do this one first. On the outside of this, I have my jacket clipped on here. And then, in this first little pocket here, I have my lock that I use in hostels whenever we would be packing up our stuff. Super helpful. This one has the extendable wire lock. I highly recommend one like this. This is my little travel laundry soap. I think that's all I have in there. And then in this next pocket, I have my Vans, which are one of my other shoes that I brought with. And then I have this bag that I had some of my liquids in the airport. And these are 2 travel size bottles that I brought with that doesn't have anything in them anymore. This is, there's some dirty socks and underwear there. But this is basically all my socks and underwear and bra and one swimsuit that I brought with. I think I have like 2 wool socks, a couple of long socks, maybe like 6 pairs of short socks, literally all of my underwear that I own, and I think I brought like 5 bras with, of varying, like some sports bras, some more like athletic-y ones, some whatever. There's a lot of variation, but this is all of my undergarments that I brought with, basically. I think that's everything that's in here. And then onto this main compartment. I have these 2 straps here, and then it looks like this. On the top, I have my raincoat that I used quite a lot, especially in Iceland. I have my Birks here, which are my other pair of shoes that I brought, and then I have my 2 hair towels in them. This one's like a hair wrap, and this one's just like a microfiber towel. And then this is my like actual towel. It's also microfiber, and so like folds up in here. It's super nice to travel with because it can air out while being like packed away and not get anything else wet. This is my little period bag. I use like reusable washable pads and a cup. So like this is just where like my period stuff is. And this is my scrubba that I actually wasn't gonna bring with backpacking, but I forgot to pack it before sending my luggage off to be shipped off the ship. So then it had to come with me and I didn't use it, but it's not a bad thing to bring with when you're backpacking. This packing cube is all my pants and stuff like that. So I have my pajama pants. These they're like nicer pants, but they're comfortable and kind of joggers. These really comfortable like travel joggers. These are more sweatpants material. These are the only pair of shorts that I brought. They're from Aerie, but they're really like comfortable terry cloth, but they look really nice. They have this fun yellow pattern on them. And then I have 2 pairs of leggings with these Lululemon ones and then these black Fabletic ones, and that's the only leggings that I brought there. There's gonna be a lot of piles of stuff everywhere. Then this packing cube is all of my tops basically, plus 1 pair of jeans that fit in here. So I have 2 long sleeves. So I have like this lined, nicer long sleeve, this kind of light gray t-shirt, almost white t-shirt, 1 pair of jeans that I brought with. I don't wear jeans very often. This other sweatshirt, this is one of my favorite staple blue sweatshirts. This gray crop top t-shirt. This is my other long sleeve. This is like a kind of khaki-ish material, like button-up kind of shirt that I wore over everything. This is a really lightweight kind of blue teal long sleeve beach cover up kind of thing. That was great for like when it was warmer. This is my light blue long sleeve. This is an Aerie t-shirt, really light thin t-shirt. My Beatles t-shirt, and then kind of a nicer navy blue striped t-shirt. So overall, I think I had 3, and plus this shirt, maybe 6 t-shirts, 2 sweatshirts, plus another sweatshirt that I ended up buying, 2 long sleeves, 2 coats. Yeah, as far as clothing, that was everything. I also had 6 pants, 1 pair of shorts, 1 pajama shorts, and then I just wore a t-shirt for pajamas. And then in this mesh pocket here, I have this little foldable bag that I didn't end up using. I totally could have for like dirty laundry. I just kind of ended up shoving my dirty laundry elsewhere, but otherwise totally would have been useful. A whole lot of Ziploc bags, very useful. Always bring them, so handy. And that's that bag, completely empty. So now onto this backpack. This is my school backpack. Water bottle, of course. And then all in the front, I have extra chapsticks. These are all my cords. So we have like extra phone charger, my like laptop cord, all my cords. And then this hair clip that if you're a normal person, you probably would have used, but I just don't, and I forgot to pack it when I sent my luggage home, so that got carried with me and I didn't use it. Sunglasses, Tide stick. I personally didn't use it, but I'm generally a clean person, but overall handy, and I'm glad I had it just in case. Laptop charger block, converter outlet thing, tiny little pocket knife, except it's not a pocket knife, it just has like a little scissors and screwdriver and stuff on it, really small. Oh, a lot of different things in here. Mosquito bracelets, didn't use them, but I just wanted to have them just in case because I'm very prone to that. Mask, extra tattoo, like extra skin. These are cards from my mom that she like, there's one for every day that I was gone. Then in this pocket here, I have, my laptop headphones, the last of my vitamins. Took vitamins every single day. I highly recommend you do that, especially when you're not normally getting the food that you normally would. Sharpies from Signing Maps. Block that has 3 USBs in this. I highly recommend one of these because you will use USB more than anything else. There's a lot of random things in here. Okay, we have this little European outlet converter plug, 2 carabiners, a broken hair clip, a handful of pins that I have. This one's from Belgium that I got before this trip. This one's from Greece, and this one is from Denmark. And then in this second pocket here, we have the very last of my snacks, including some Swiss chocolate that I haven't finished. This is my allergy and medicine and anything you could ever need bag. I've used it my whole life. Passport with my SAS number on it. This is my like technology bag, so I have extra cords and my SSD and my extra power bank in here. This is super helpful to have this all in like one place. Highly recommend. This is one of my silicone baggies that I just finished the granola cereal in on the way to the plane this morning. This is so handy to have because you can just wash it out and repeat, and they're like super durable and waterproof, and you can microwave them. They're incredible. I highly recommend getting some silicone reusable bags. My actual glasses. This is my foldable backpack that I use for day trips. It's from Boulder Pack Co. It's super lightweight and easily foldable and small, but like can carry a lot. So nice to have this as my extra little backup bag. Used it a lot. This is earrings that I got in Ireland from my mom. Oh, my other silicone bag. Handkerchief because reusing things. This is my sleeper mask. Used it on overnight trains a lot. Highly recommend getting one. This is my tote bag that I got last year in Brussels. I didn't actually use this backpacking. I use it on SAS a bit, but I'm just not really a bag person, so I didn't use it as much as maybe somebody else would. And this is my little bag of jewelry. I have like extra earrings and necklaces and bracelets in here. I didn't really use it much at all backpacking just because I was going constantly everywhere, so I just didn't really use it very much. Then last big bag. Here's my fanny pack. Use it so much. I literally got it at Walmart. Is the best fanny pack ever. There's this little flat pocket here that like I have my COVID card and like yellow fever card that I needed for semester at sea, and I put my passport in here. And then in this big pocket here, it can actually hold so much. So I have like my wallet that I put in there, and then I have like pen and carabiners and my tattoo balm, pin from Poland, gum, another mask. Like I can fit so much in here. And this flat pocket back here is big enough to put postcards in, which is really nice. And then it has this little pocket on the front, and I have like hair binders in here, some receipts, of some more pins. This one's from Venice. I have a lot of pins that I'm gonna be putting on my bag. Extra chapstick. Yeah, just like random little pieces in there. This is my Toiletries. I have had this, it's from Eagle Creek. I have had this bag for so long, and it just has like normal stuff, hair binders, shavers. This is my Lush bar shampoo and conditioner. Highly recommend this. So helpful to not like take up space for like liquids. Solution, retainers. This is my reusable cotton swab. That has also been really nice. Deodorant, face wash, lotion, toothpaste, normal stuff. This is my journal. It has a lot of postcards in there to keep them nice and flat. What else? Oh, this is my sweatshirt that I got in Venice, wrapped up inside of it. This is a cup that I got in Venice, and this is my socks and underwear wrapped around to other things. This is my bowl that I got in Ireland, mug that I got in Iceland, and then this is a little bowl that I also got in Iceland. I will do a video of like everything that I got on semester at sea and backpacking, and I will like put them all together, but not yet. This is my sand cloud straw and like spork in here. Spoon that I got in Ireland. And then this it's wrapped up, but it's like a utensil set and like teaspoon set that I got in Denmark that we can look at in my souvenir video. This is my pen case. It's literally full. And last but not least, my laptop. I didn't use that much because I didn't edit hardly at all on backpacking, literally at all. But in here there is all these like postcards and papers and things that I wanted to try to keep flat. They're all like crammed in there. Yeah, but that is it. That is everything that I brought with me for 1 month of backpacking in Europe, which is crazy. Like, this is not a lot of stuff. Like, I don't know if you can really see, but like I just unloaded it like all out here. Not that over there, that's other stuff, but like that's it. That's all I brought with me for an entire month backpacking in Europe. That's it. And like I was totally fine. In fact, there's a couple of things that like I probably didn't need to bring just for my own use, but yeah, that's it. That's all I brought. Thank you so much for watching. I can't believe I'm home. That's such a weird concept. I haven't been home since January 2nd, and it's May 25th right now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it means so much to me, and I will see you in the next one, which will probably be unpacking my big suitcases from semester at sea and everything I brought, and my semester at sea and backpacking souvenir video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.